Hi, it's me Jen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make some roses out of a spiral. You're going to cut out a circle. The material I'm using is the type of foam that Japanese use for crafts, and I believe it's called foamiran or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. And we're going to cut it out. You can also use cardboard or paper. I just believe this is cool for making crafts, for making crafts. Now once you have the circle, you're only going to cut following a spiral motion. And you're going to smooth out the edges when you finish. And it has to look something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I prefer the outer part to be wider than the inner part, so the petals outside are bigger, so it's going to look more realistic. Getting the inside, we're going to fold it, and then we're going to cut the edge to make the petals. It's difficult to explain, but you can see clearly how I'm doing it in the video. Don't worry if the edges are pointy, because we're going to fix this afterwards in a very easy way. Now I'm going to use a lighter. You can also use an iron. We're going to have it just for a few seconds so it soothes out all of the edges. And we're also going to just bend it a little bit to the outside to make like this petal feeling of the rose. I don't know if I'm explaining myself, but it's going to make it look prettier. And now this is the easiest thing ever. You just have to roll it inward to the outside, as you can see in the video. So we're going to put a little bit of glue in the inside of the spiral, and then we're going to start rolling little by little our rose in an inside outside motion, as you can see in the video. And that's it. Easiest thing ever. You can make lots of roses. I just realized in the video that my roses had a little bit of glue in the middle, but don't worry about that. That's so easy to remove. You can use scissors or you can get some pliers and remove it. It was too late to change it, so I can't do anything about it. By the way, I am going to be using 3 of these flowers for making something very cool and trendy nowadays, and I'm going to give you the clue. I'm using the pink, the blue and the purple flowers in order to make it, and it has a horn. So leave me in the comments if you know what I'm going to be making on my next video. So this was everything for today's video. They look so pretty. Don't forget to remove properly the glue, please. Don't be like me, I'm so sorry. And don't forget to give me a like, tell me in the comments if you tried it out, and I will see you next time. I love you so much. Thank you so much for everything. Bye.